Hey everyone, Adam here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the internet. And today we're going to uncrate Alpinestars A-Connect Bluetooth communication system for Alpinestars SuperTech R7. Hey Speed Addicts fam, before we give you the scoop on this Alpinestars A-Connect Bluetooth communication system, make sure you subscribe to the Speed Addicts TV YouTube channel and shop online at speedaddicts.com. Link to this A-Connect Bluetooth system is in the description below, as is the SuperTech R7. Lastly, if you're ever in the Southern California area, make sure you come on over to the Speed Addicts Superstore in Orange, California and shop for Alpinestars SuperTech R7 helmet and A-Connect in person. We have a huge helmet wall here in a variety of sizes, so no matter what helmet you're buying, you can try it on, make sure it fits you, and leave that day with this product. All right, folks, it's time to get into it. We have Alpinestars $549 A-Connect Bluetooth communication system. This is a purpose-built Bluetooth communication system that neatly integrates into this SuperTech R7 helmet. Now, some specs on this A-Connect Bluetooth system is powered by Bluetooth 5.3. It has Mesh Intercom 3.0 technology, and it has the ability to download the Wave Intercom app. Now, the Wave Intercom app is so cool because it allows you to connect with any Bluetooth user. All you have to have is the phone app. It's powered by Senna. You have that phone app, and you can communicate with other Bluetooth users via cell phone network coverage. So as long as your phone has cell phone reception and is paired with the Bluetooth device, you can talk to any rider anywhere in the world. How neat is that? Some more specs: up to 24 riders can communicate with the Mesh Intercom technology, and we have a runtime of 24 hours in Bluetooth configuration and a little bit less, 17 hours when you're using the Mesh communication system. Takes about 90 minutes to charge this device with the integrated USB-C port, and we have a range of 1.2 miles. That's without any hills, with no obstructions. If you're riding in a hilly area, the range will be less than 1.2 miles, but that is the claim stat for flat ground. And the big news is this A-Connect has auto on and off. So this A-Connect's basically more or less a Senna 60 internals, but now has the ability for automatic on and off. Now, when you purchase this $549 A-Connect, you get the ECU control interface, you get a pair of 40mm second generation Harman Kardon speakers, you get a wired microphone, and a 3.5 stereo audio adapter. You also get a USB-C charging cable, and it's worth noting that this device is IPX7 waterproof level. Some other features: we have AI-based noise cancellation to help reduce that noise from the engine exhaust and air from outside, and we have the ability for enhanced voice commands, so you can say a command to the Bluetooth microphone and the electronics will comply. Software-wise, to use this device, ideally you want to have the Senna Motorcycles app, which is an iOS and Android-powered smartphone app. And when you download that app, you can automatically get over-the-air software updates. So you download the app, you pair the device, and whenever there's a new software update and you have that app open, it will automatically upload it to the hardware, and your electronics will have the most recent software. All right, folks, that is some basic information about the A-Connect system. Now it's time to install it into this SuperTech R7 system. Now it's worth noting that, again, this A-Connect is proprietary to Alpinestars SuperTech R7. Who knows if Alpinestars will have other helmets that will accept this technology, but for now, only the SuperTech R7 accepts this. The SuperTech R10 does not. So if you want to use Alpinestars A-Connect, you have to buy this sub $700 SuperTech R7 in white. All right, folks, now it's time to get inside this SuperTech R7 helmet. So to install it, it's pretty straightforward. The cool thing about the SuperTech R7 is it has neat cutouts for all of the components. So the ECU goes in this door right here. The control interface goes right here. The speakers go obviously in the speaker pocket recesses, and the microphone goes on the left side. It's hard to see, but in this recess right here. So we're going to begin by removing this interior right here. So that is one area where the SuperTech R7 really stands out from its sister model, the R10, is the interior is much more high quality and finally commensurate with a motorcycle helmet that costs over $600. So we've got those cheek pads out now. Now the second step is we want to pop off this control panel plastic door. So it's really easy to do. You know, when you get the motorcycle helmet, it might be stiff, but if you open and close it a few times, it'll be a little bit easier. So we have that control panel removed. Next, we want to remove the ECU panel right here. And this is where the brains of the device go. Again, if you've never opened it, it might be a little bit hard to open. And this plastic cover right here kind of covers a little bit, so just be aware of it. Make sure not to use too much force. All of these parts, they're tough and resilient, but you still have to exercise care when you're working on these electronics. It's really easy to do something wrong, so just use some judgment and care. Now, this is the brains of Alpinestars A-Connect. As you can see, it's really small and it neatly integrates into the back of the helmet. This is also where the battery is. So you flip over this grommet and there's the USB-C charging port right here, which you can charge this device in right around 90 minutes. So you might be wondering what these doodads are on the side. These are actually antennas. These antennas neatly integrate inside the helmet and allow you to have really good reception and help keep the helmet really clean looking. So we're going to begin by installing this interface right here. So actually, before we do that, we have to actually install this control pad right here. So to get the control pad right here, we have to go put this cable inside through this door. So we're going to take this, put it through the door. It is fairly easy to do. And now we have it inside this door. We have a red and a black adapter plug, and that signifies what speaker goes to what. So the red is for the microphone, and the black is obviously for the speaker, so that way we won't be confused when we're installing it. So now we've got this control panel in. Let's lock this thing down right like this. All right, now we're locked in. So now the panel is in. Now we want to connect this panel to the ECU, which is right here. So here's the ECU, and we're going to connect this right through here. There is a clip right here on this side. So we're going to go right like this. Now we're connected here, and now we can insert this device into the back of the helmet like this. Make sure we lift this plastic shim up a little bit so we have clearance. Like I said before, you have to kind of finesse these things a little bit. And now we're in, and now we're locked in like that. We have that cable nicely integrated right here. Oh, popped out a little bit. Now it's back in. All right, next we're going to install the speaker. We have the microphone right there, and we have a short speaker cable here, and then we have this other speaker cable on this side. So let's use this one right here. Again, we have these nice clip-on style plugs with arrows, so you can't really screw it up. We'll never say you can't screw it up because anything's possible, but you shouldn't screw it up. And now we can put this speaker in this recess right here. Again, even the wiring is all nicely hidden, so it's very, very clean, the install. Next, we're going to take this antenna, and this antenna slips right into here. How sick is that? Nice and clean. Clean in proper cable routing is really the hallmark feature of this A-Connect. Now we're going to attach the microphone red to red, and we're going to route the microphone right through into this pocket right here, and it goes right into here super cleanly. Again, just really good cable routing. It just makes for a really clean helmet. A lot of times if you have motorcycle helmets that don't have this type of integration. The routing is a little bit more cumbersome. If you know what you're doing, it's not terrible. But that's the whole point of this Alpinestars A-Connect. It's like you bought a communication system from the factory, already integrated, no messing around. So now we've got the other speaker pocket in there. Now let's put this microphone right in here. I'm sorry, the antenna right in here. And now we are ready to go. We have everything installed. Now it's time to put these cheek pads in. All right, so the really cool thing about these Alpinestars SuperTech R7 helmets are the upgraded interior. So much more high quality, and the entire interior is designed to be removed. If you ride kind of a lot, especially in warmer temperatures, the inside of your helmet can kind of get funky just from sweat and perspiration. So it's cool that you can take this helmet apart and really get it all cleaned on the inside. So we've got our A-Connect installed. Now it's time to get these cheek pads in. It's worth noting that the cool thing about this SuperTech R7 is when you install the A-Connect, all you have to remove is the cheek pads. You don't even have to take out the top liner, which is something that you typically have to take out when you are installing a Cardo Systems Bluetooth communicator or a Sena in a other helmet. So kind of cool that Alpinestars really paid attention to the details and just made a helmet that's super easy to work on, even if you don't have the Bluetooth communication system installed from the factory. All right, we've got our cheek pad in. Now it's time to button it inside here. So let's just open this door. And there's like these nice plastic rivets that you can use to button the cheek pad to the surface of the helmet. It's worth noting that Alpinestars offers a variety of different thickness cheek pads, so you can really customize the fit of this helmet. Let's say you get the helmet, it's a little bit tight, and you want a little bit looser fit. Well, you can swap these cheek pads or purchase different cheek pads that have a little bit less thickness to give you a little bit more room. Conversely, if you have the helmet, it's not quite tight enough around your face, you can get cheek pads with a thicker thicker thickness to help really nail that fit. All right, it was that easy, folks. We got the cheek pads in. We're totally integrated. Now the finishing touch is to put away this white cover panel and this black cover panel. So if you ever take A-Connect out, you can replace it with that. But that's how easy it is, folks, to install A-Connect. Of course, you're going to remove this grommet, charge the device for 90 minutes before you get off and running. Make sure you download the app and update the software before you get up and running. And that, folks, is how you install Alpinestars A-Connect Bluetooth communicator in the SuperTech R7 helmet. Well, everyone, make sure to head on over to speedaddicts.com to shop the full Alpinestars catalog. And if you're in the Southern California area, please stop on by here at the Speed Addict Superstore in Orange, California, and try out one of these SuperTech R7s before you buy. And if you like the fit, you like the features, you can take it home with you that day. We'll see you in the next episode.